This message is brought to you by the Medical Women's Association of Nigeria, MWAN ZAMFARA Chapter. With the recent outbreak of the pandemic, novel coronavirus in Nigeria, it's pertinent for us, most especially the healthcare personnel, to know the steps to take. 1. Stop bringing laptops, iPads and handbags to the hospital. 2. When you come into the hospital, make sure you come with few money or no money at all. Just your debit or credit card will do, or you can use your digital money avenue to access whatever you need. 3. Make sure you clean and sanitize all things you've used in the hospital when going back home. 4. Change into your scrubs or uniforms as soon as you get to the hospital, and make sure you change back to your house clothes as soon as you leave the hospital back home. 5. Make sure you always wear a face mask during your stay in the hospital, and as soon as you're done for the day, make sure you discard them appropriately in the trash bin or can. 6. Make sure you don't use any of your mobile devices such as phones, iPads or any other devices in the duty room, most especially leaving them on the bed or on the couch. 7. When you reach home, make sure that if your mobile device or parts are using pouches, make sure you take them off, put them in a separate bag and leave them in your car. 8. When you get back home, try as much as possible not to open the door yourself. Let someone do that for you. Then head straight to take a shower. Take off your clothes, make sure you wash them separately and sanitize them. 9. If you stay with elders and children, make sure you isolate yourself from them so you don't get them infected. You could stay separately in a different room so you don't get the children or the elder ones infected. 10. As a healthcare personnel, make sure you always with a sanitizer. Always wash your hands regularly with soap, for this could safeguard you, and make sure you have a sanitizer everywhere you go. So with these few steps and precaution, we hope that our frontline healthcare personnel will be able to safeguard themselves. The NCDC has launched a communication campaign, #TakeResponsibility. So it is important that every resident and Nigerians should take it as a point of call for us to combat and fight the novel coronavirus. If you have traveled outside the country or you had a contact close with someone who has a confirmed case, it's best you isolate yourself for 14 days. And during this isolation, if you get to notice that you have any of the symptoms of the novel coronavirus, COVID-19, you need to call immediately your state hotline or the NCDC toll-free number as seen right here in the box. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you. This message is cordially brought to you by the Medical Women's Association of Nigeria, MWAN ZAMFARA Chapter.